more than a decade, over 50 vessels have been equipped with our automatic bag filling machines globally. The Nordic packing machine for packing and sealing of bags containing frozen fish blocks, both for land-based and sea-based production. This is a brief instruction video for the Nordic packing machine. Before starting the machine, check that the air pressure is at a sufficient level, approximately 6 to 7 bars. Place the bags correctly onto the tray. Ensure that the end stitch is properly seated. Curled bags will have to be removed, as this might jam the machine. As soon as the frozen block is ready at the funnel, it will be pushed into a bag and thereby sealed. Within a few seconds, it is ready for the cargo hold. You can get the following error messages. The bag magazine is empty. The suction bellies lost the bag. A block is stuck in the funnel. It is crucial to check whenever the machine stops and check the following. Check that the suction bellies are intact. If torn or damaged in any other way, it needs to be replaced. Check for any dust or moist in the filter. Be careful when emptying and cleaning this in order to ensure that the gasket remains in place. Check that the machine has a sufficient level of air pressure at approximately 6 to 7 bars. You will find the manual for handling errors and further instructions here. Please exert extreme caution when handling these hazardous areas.